So I'm here in Pine Bluff, and let me tell you, this place is straight up terrible. Like, it's really sad. There's some beautiful old houses here that have just been going to waste. Anyway, here's a weird little tidbit. So this is the home of Martha Beale Mitchell, and apparently this is the woman who was the whistleblower in the Watergate scandal, and this is her birthplace. She was born in 1918 here in Pine Bluff, Arkansas, and she died in 1976. And anyway, I don't know a whole lot about the Watergate scandal other than it was a really big deal back in, what was it, like, I don't know, like 1970 or something like that. Anyway, I'm not going to get into the Watergate scandal. You can look that up if you want, but it's kind of interesting that they've preserved this house. And like I said, this is like an absolutely terrible neighborhood. I mean, half the houses are abandoned. It's really pretty rough. It's really a shame. Like, look at this house over here. Like, this used to be a beautiful little city at some point. There's some really nice homes here, but not anymore. Look at this tiny house. Isn't that cute? This house looks like it's kind of seen better days too. It's I guess you can view this by appointment. I don't have time to do that here today, but it is a historic building apparently, or it's classified as such. Definitely looks like it's kind of needs a bit of repair, but yeah, Martha Beale Mitchell house. Interesting. Really, oh man, this porch is soft. Look at that bowed out porch. Oh my goodness. I literally feel like I'm about to fall through this porch. It's so soft. Anyway, really weird little tidbit of history here.